Let's put together Spill Some Ink. First, print the inside page. It's two-sided, so if you don't have a fancy printer that does double-sided copies, print side 1 and then feed the same page through and print side 2. Make sure that both sides are printed right side up. Don't be discouraged if you have to print again. You can do this. Now, print the cover on thick paper. If you don't have thick paper, you can glue or tape a second page to the cover as a second layer to make it thicker. Construction paper is perfect if you have it, but 1 or 2 pages of printer paper will also work. Now we're going to construct the book. First, cut inside the dotted rectangle that frames the interior page. Cutting off that outer margin makes it so your splats spill off the edges of the pages. Fold the paper in half along the dotted line. You're folding landscape or hot dog style. Now, keeping the paper folded, fold in half the other way, portrait style, or you can call that hamburger style. Crease your folds nicely. You'll need to fold portrait style 2 more times to make your pages the right size. You're making an accordion. Fold each side back toward the middle fold. Honestly, if you're puzzled, don't worry. It doesn't matter which way you fold right now as long as you end up with 4 pages with a fold along the top edge. Now, keeping your book folded, cut a tiny sliver off the top along that fold. This cut separates the top and bottom of your page and gives you 2 sections. Now, set those sections aside. It's time for the cover. Fold the cover along the dotted line. You're actually folding the page in half, which should make it easy to line up your edges nicely. Now, cut out the cover just inside that dotted line. The last step is to put the book together. It's a pop-out book, so one section attaches to the front cover and the other section attaches to the back cover. Look for the page with all the instructions. That's the one that attaches to the front cover. And on the other section, find the page labeled attached to back cover. Now, let's sort out the folding. You'll need to refold your pages so the accordion works correctly. The pages that attach to the front and back cover need their fold to be close to the spine. Here's how the pages will turn and how they'll pop out to show the secret pages in the middle. Here's where people sometimes get confused. The 2 sections don't attach to one another. The front section attaches to the front cover and the back section attaches to the back cover. If you get stuck, remember accordion-style folding alternates so that one fold is on one edge of the page and the other fold is on the opposite edge. You can hold the single page against the cover and try turning to make sure you've got everything straight before you tape. Once you've got your folding sorted out, tape the front section to the front cover and the back section to the back cover. And that's it. Your Spill Some Ink book is ready to use. Remember, we'd love to see some of the writing you do using the prompts. Send them our way and happy writing.